What's up? So today we're showing the top best ratings for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. So the first tweak is called non-default system apps. Shows non-default system apps on the springboard. Next tweak is called Linux application for Linux. All quickly, I do want to also mention with you guys, if you guys do need any repo or sources from these tweets, obviously I do not have them down below. There's just too many to keep adding all of them. So literally just go to like iOS repo. It's like a website, and then you guys can search up what tweak you guys want, and then the repo comes like automatically when you search up the tweak. You tap on a tweak, and the repo is there, and then you can easily just tap on whatever package manager you have. And then you just open it in the package manager, and automatically it does add the source for you, so you just have to tap on add, and then that's it. So it's really simple. Hydra easy app shortcuts. It's, I guess, like a widget. Yeah, so this is a Apple gave us widgets, made sure battery. So let me load this one. Apple gave us widgets, made sure battery use. Sir, macOS big Sir style alerts for iOS. iOS 15 photo information for iOS 14, formerly telescope. Next we've got symbols, easily access to Apple's SF symbols. MagSafe charging cares just like for iOS 14. Play, show app disk usage from 3D touch menu. Access to Apple's SF symbols. Favorite ones, Gritter. Well, favorite ones on the list, I can say, it's Gritter. And this pretty much gives you like a grid. Pretty much like a grid user face that you guys can put on your screen, so you guys can like easily aim and know what quadrant you guys are aiming in. So this could be useful for apps like Golf Clash. Does support iOS 10 to 15, and they did add a bunch of features. You guys can read on how to install all that kind of stuff, which is just literally just you can read this for yourself. You just jailbreak, obviously you add the repo, download the tweak, and you just that's really it. And then you start your springboard, obviously. So displays any grid you want anywhere you want. Ideal for games such as Golf Clash. See screenshots, and it's only one grid tweak, guys. You can put your grid lines, colors, toggle we want to put on the screen, all that kind of cool stuff. You have also these new features that I think were just added in the most recent update. As presets, added dashed and pattern lines. You choose a specific color. Added an option to edit existing lines. You can now reorder the lines or text in the settings page. You can also add the option to add text instead of lines, and add an option to create circles and pattern circles. And also you can rotate 180 degrees. So you see down here, it was updated to fit the preferences for iOS 15 at SNAP beta jailbreak. Akapi or Akapi, slightly better zebra. So it's like a pack of Rolodets, little tongue twister. Table view index pop. We have is called Linux 2 localizations. It's language support for Linux 2. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.